Have you ever felt like you were destined for something greater, like you had a unique purpose that set you apart from everyone else? Imagine for a moment that you are the chosen one, the person upon whom the fate of many relies. What happens when you disappear, when your presence is no longer felt, and everything begins to crumble? This isn't just a hypothetical question. It's a powerful concept that speaks to the very core of our existence and the roles we play in the lives of others. Each of us carries a unique spark, an individual light that contributes to the collective brightness of the world. When you, the chosen one, step back or disappear, the balance is disrupted and the impact is profound. People often underestimate the significance of their presence, not realizing that their actions, words, and even their silent support can be the glue that holds everything together. Imagine a world where your contributions are no longer present. The ripple effect of your absence can cause everything to shatter, leaving a void that is hard to fill. It's important to understand that being the chosen one doesn't mean you are perfect or without flaws. It means you have a role that is uniquely yours, a purpose that no one else can fulfill in the same way. Your strengths, your insights, your ability to connect with others, all these qualities make you irreplaceable. When you disappear, the intricate web of connections and dependencies begins to unravel, leading to chaos and confusion. Think about the time when you have been a source of strength for someone, a guiding light in their darkest moments. Your presence provided them with hope and direction. Now imagine if you were no longer there to offer that support. The person who relied on you might feel lost, their confidence shaken, and their path uncertain. This is the kind of impact you have, often without even realizing it. This concept extends beyond personal relationships to broader contexts. In a community, a workplace, or any group setting, your unique contributions create a sense of cohesion and purpose. When you disappear, the dynamics change and the harmony is disrupted. People may struggle to find their footing, and the sense of unity that once existed begins to fade. Your role, no matter how small it may seem, is vital to the overall functioning of the group. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that you don't matter, that your presence or absence won't make a difference. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Every action you take, every word you speak, every gesture of kindness you offer, all contribute to the greater good. When you disappear, the void left behind is felt deeply, and the consequences can be far-reaching. Consider the story of a leader who steps down from their position. This leader, through their vision and dedication, has inspired and guided their team to achieve great things. When they leave, the team may feel adrift, uncertain of how to move forward without their guiding force. The projects that once thrived under their leadership may falter, and the morale of the team may decline. This is a tangible example of how the absence of the chosen one can cause everything to shatter. But it's not just about leaders or people in positions of power. Each of us, in our own way, is a chosen one. We all have the ability to influence and inspire those around us. Whether it's through our kindness, our creativity, or our determination, we make a difference. When we disappear, the world loses a part of its brilliance, and the impact is felt by all. So, what can we do to ensure that our presence continues to make a positive difference? How can we avoid the shattering effect of our absence? The answer lies in recognizing and embracing our unique role. By understanding the importance of our contributions and valuing our presence, we can continue to inspire and uplift those around us. It's about being mindful of the impact we have and striving to be the best version of ourselves. We must also remember that our influence extends beyond our immediate surroundings. The energy we put out into the world has a ripple effect, touching the lives of people we may never meet. By staying true to our purpose and living with intention, we create a legacy that endures even when we are no longer physically present. This legacy is a testament to the power of the chosen one and the lasting impact we can have. In times of doubt or uncertainty, it's important to remind ourselves of our worth. We must cultivate a sense of self-belief and recognize that we are capable of making a difference. By doing so, we can continue to shine our light and prevent the shattering effect of our absence. It's about being present, being engaged, and being committed to our purpose. Moreover, we can inspire others to recognize their own worth and potential. By uplifting those around us and encouraging them to embrace their unique roles, we create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. When each person understands their value and contribution, the collective strength is amplified and the world becomes a brighter place. It's also essential to take care of ourselves and ensure that we are in a position to continue making a positive impact. Self-care and self-compassion are crucial in maintaining our ability to inspire and uplift others. By prioritizing our well-being, we can sustain our energy and continue to fulfill our purpose as the chosen one. Additionally, we must stay connected to our inner guidance and intuition. By listening to our inner voice and following our instincts, we can navigate our path with clarity and confidence. This connection to our inner wisdom allows us to make decisions that align with our purpose and create a positive impact. The concept of the chosen one and the shattering effect of their absence is a powerful reminder of the significance of our presence. Each of us has a unique role to play, and our contributions are vital to the greater good. By recognizing our worth, staying true to our purpose, and inspiring others to do the same, we can create a lasting legacy of positivity and empowerment. So let us embrace our role as the chosen one and continue to shine our light, knowing that our presence makes a difference and our absence can cause everything to shatter.